Hey guys, Jamie Goonery here, brand ambassador of KSL, and I'm here at their Dublin clinic with Dr. Erjon, and we're going to be answering your most common questions.
What is the maximum number of grafts?
When I got my hair transplant in 2021, I only got the front part and I think it was just over 2,000.
So normally there is a lot of debate about the maximum of grafts that you can take, and you can see some clinics there taking out 5,000, 10,000 grafts in one go, but I would really be cautious to believe all of that. The maximum number of grafts that we aim to take is usually 2,500. And the reason beyond that is because otherwise you'd risk to over-harvest the donor area. And over-harvesting would cause more trouble because you're going to lose more vital hair follicles, which you could use in the future as well. The donor area is quite limited. You still can have 3 or 4 hair transplants in normal medium density hair, basically donor hair. In a medium donor area, you could have up to 3 or 4 hair transplants where you can harvest hair follicles for the future, but you shouldn't be taking them all in one go because otherwise you'd risk shock loss. Of the grafts, the expert technique that you use to take the grafts, because obviously the instruments, the size, the diameter of the cannulas which we use to take the grafts is quite important. If you have a large bore cannula, then you risk causing shock loss, or you risk damaging the close by hair follicle. So it's quite important to think of those things if you're going to see an expert really that is capable of doing that in the best of way.